Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in ratio and proportion. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Please go through the problem first. Friends, here the total amount is 1250. This amount is divided among A, B, C, D in such a way that B plus D, the share of B plus D is equal to 14 by 11 of the share of A plus C. It implies B plus D over A plus C. B plus D by A plus C is equal to 14 by 11. It means the shares of B plus D and A plus C are in the ratio 14:11. Friends, now let us divide 1250 in the ratio 14:11 so that we get B plus D and A plus C. So friends, 1250 by 14 plus 11, 25. By doing into 14, we get the share of B plus D, and into 11, we get the share of A plus C. Friends, 25 50s, 50 into 14, 700. So friends, B plus D is equal to 700. B plus D is equal to 700. And A plus C is equal to 50 into 11, 550. Friends, A plus C is equal to 550. A plus C is equal to 550. Friends, it is given that the share of C is 1.2 of A. So, in place of C, I am writing 1.2A. 1.2A plus A. 2.2A. 2.2A is equal to 550. Friends, A is equal to 550 by 2.2, 1.2 plus 1, 2.2. This is equal to 5500 by 22. Friends, 11 2s, 11 500s, that is equal to 250. Friends, we have A is equal to 250. Friends, if A is equal to 250, then C is equal to 550 minus 250, 300. C is equal to 300. C is equal to 300. Friends, it is also given that the share of D is half of the share of A. So friends, D is equal to half of A, 125. Friends, if D is equal to 125, B is equal to 700 minus 125, 575. So B is equal to 575 friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.